First, welcome to our booth at Highlite booth. This time we want to show you the Pixel Batten which we gave for the Innovation Award. Probably you will think, okay, it's just a Pixel Batten. It looks like it, but it has some unique features which we want to tell you. Because together with Marco from Archaeos, they developed a complete new protocol called the Kling-Net protocol. And the advantage of this protocol is that we can drive pixels directly from the computer. So it means we just plug our Pixel Batten by RG45, as you can see over here, to the computer, and then by just easy mapping, we immediately can play the video. Means with this product, we make pixel to video, we make affordable to the market, and we also make it easy to use, because nowadays to run a video screen, to set it up, you still need some know-how. You need to know about IP addressing, you need to know about the software, a lot of technical things involved, you need some nodes, but with this product it's very easy. You just take the output from your computer, the RG45, you link up to your product, and just you continue to linking up. And then only thing you need to do before you can play the video is just map them, and I show you how easy this will be. Start the Kling-Net mapper first, one moment. Once connected, we see this screen, and the computer immediately recognizes which items are connected. Like I see here, I have my Pixel Batten. I click on it, and you see immediately it starts to become green. Only thing I need to do is to pick it up, drag it to the right position, and then I do this to all the fixtures, and I'm finished. Normally I should save this, but if I do it now, then I lose my setup. But if I finish this, I'm ready to play my videos from over here. You just can control each effect. So we think with this product we have an innovative product, because with this product you really now make video and pixel mapping plug and play and not complicated as it was before. Also, the product itself just has PowerCon input and output, and the RG45 in and output for the data. So very easy to use, nothing can go wrong actually.
The chaining from the computer to the different device is really amazing, because you don't need any extra hub or any extra accessories. You really chain from your computer to the input here, and then you chain to the next device, and there is no. If your customer can plug a cable, you can use the product. The product itself is sending its kind of a fixture automatically to the computer. It's a zero configuration. It's even assigning IP number to the device so that it can work with any kind of IP configuration on your computer. It's really magical. Plug and play.
How many
the light is coming
on the screen? What's the maximum number on one screen?
You can definitely chain up to 100 devices, and it's really no problem.
Yeah.
So you can make really nice setup with this chaining device and having nice lighting.
So far we tested already the hardware with 100 pieces in one chain. Didn't have any problem, and we're still continuing to test it with more and more fixtures, because this is the first generation, and for sure we did already virtual testing, and it can do much more. But for 100 pieces already confirmed 100% working without any problem.
Okay, so does that mean when you configure it, does that mean that every device has some kind of unique ID? How does that configuration?
Yes. Very basically, each device has some kind of a serial number. So he's saying I'm the number 5 made by Highlite, and then the software remembers it, which means that when you repower up the system, it redistributes IP address to make sure everything works fine automatically. And then you see, oh, you're number 5, so I remember you're on the top left, so number 6, I remember you're on the top right, and reconfigure everything automatically.
And so if that's in and out, does that mean this isn't standard Ethernet? Or that's got like a...
It is a standard Ethernet, but it's made to be daisy chain, to be very easy to set up and to be easy to put in place.
So does it have a network interface card in it?
Yes, because you have a network in, network out.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
And you can plug that onto your Mac or PC because we are cross-platform, so we can run on any kind of computer and make a chain of device, and then all will be configured automatically.
Do you give any consideration to using the nitric connector, the XLR Ethercon?
We did consider that, but because we wanted to keep the products affordable, we decided not to do it. Because I know the nitric is really a good connection, but it raised also up the purchasing price. And the goal with this product was, there were two goals. First of all, it must be plug and play, but also it must stay affordable for the people. Because now, if you want to produce an LED screen, it still involves a lot of money. But we want to bring this technology also to the middle class market, and that's the reason why for this generation we decided not to add it. For sure, if professional users want to have it, it's no problem to make a professional version including this nitric Ethercon. It's just hard to change. We can do it.
How much is the price?
That's a good one.
Nobody knows the answer.
I must think. I think it's around the £300 or £400 retail.
And
On the computer that's then going to run this system, what sort of inputs do you have on that? How can we trigger it? How can we make it do the things we want to do?
so the system is running the Archaeos Media Master software.
Yeah.
And Archaeos Media Master is a very versatile software. It can have several inputs, it can have several outputs, so you can really, you have a lot of possibilities there. You can control from a lighting desk, you can control from a MIDI keyboard, you can control from a computer keyboard if you want. And a last advantage that is very important, because of the zero configuration, you see there is no knobs, no setting that you can tweak on it, which means the device obviously more stronger, because there is no switch that can be broken when you use it. There is no switch that you can put on the wrong position and make the system not working. I think that's why the system can be so affordable, because the zero configuration makes sure that you don't need extra.
In zero configuration, how does it know which way around the panel?
The LED mapper has a few options to make a horizontal or vertical.
So that's in the mapping.
It's in the mapping. In the mapping we can rotate it like we want.
The idea that's simply, this one says my resolution is 4 by 40 pixels, and then obviously the mapper doesn't know if you put it this way, or so you need to say
Well, that's
visually.
in the media server.
Yes,
Yes.
the mapper. But the magic of the mapper is that there is no magical numbers like IP address, DMT channel, fixture configurations. It's all automatic. And then obviously you need to be able to say, okay,
We can just click it, we can drag it how we want. We can give it any position.
The mapper itself is really, really fun and simple to use.
Now this is about Kling-Net rather than the product, but is Kling-Net only going to be Archaeos, or is it going to be available to anyone?
Kling-Net is patented by Archaeos, but we're more than happy to speak with other partners that will want to use it. Because for the protocol to succeed, you need to see it in many places. So we are open to speak with other media server manufacturer or other manufacturer that will want to use it. We think it's magical, so everybody should benefit from it.
We have 1 minute. Are there any last questions?
Can we just see them fade up and down really slowly?
So the steppiness is in the batten, or is in the controller, or is in the control protocol?
Sorry, which
What is steppiness on the fade?
That's a good question. I don't know. You know, Marco, this isn't a controller issue or the software?
I think it's more in the video loop, I think.
Yes.
It's more in the video loop, or what you see, the fact that it's blinking a little bit. It's the content that's making that.
Is the
The content, the video loop itself.
okay.